the combined gas law is not named after any scientist. It's basically a combination of Boyle's law and Charles' law. Remember, in Boyle's law, we said Pi times Vi equals Pf times Vf. And in Charles' law, we said Vi over Ti equals Vf over Tf. Well, we can combine all three terms in case we have a situation where all three variables are changing: pressure, volume, and temperature. According to the equation for combined gas law given here, the only thing that must remain constant or kept the same is the number of moles. We can allow the pressure to change, the volume to change, and the temperature to change. And if we have of these 6 terms, if we have 5 of them, we can solve for the remaining 6th one. So you may just be required to find Vf or Pf or Tf or any of these 6, Pi, Vi or Ti included. So here is a question. Calculate the volume of N2 resulting when 0.100 liter of the gas is heated from 300 Kelvin to 350 Kelvin at 1.00 atmosphere. What you should do first of all is write down all the data you are given in the problem and make sure you note which is P1 or Pi and what is Pf. So what is the initial pressure? Let's see. Calculate the volume of nitrogen resulting when 0.100 liter of the gas is heated from 300 Kelvin to 350 Kelvin at 1 atmosphere. So originally it's at 1 atmosphere. And then what happens? What is the original temperature? It's heated from 300 Kelvin to 350. So the original temperature is 300 Kelvin. And resulting when 0.1 liter of the gas, so 0.100 rather, 0.100 liter of the gas is heated, so then Vi is also 0.100. And we are not told that the volume changes, we are not told that the pressure changes, so Pf equals 1.00 atmosphere as well. And the problem is saying calculate the volume. So initially if the volume was 0.100 liter, the new volume is the final volume which we are trying to find, and the new temperature is also given to us as Tf equals 350 Kelvin. So this is what we are trying to find. You write this equation as you see here, then you cross multiply, so you get Pi times Vi times Tf equals Pf times Vf times Ti, and then you divide it by Pf and Ti, both sides of the equation, getting rid of Pf and Ti from the right side wherever you have that term, Pf Vf times Ti divided by Pf Vf. So you would have the form Vf equals Pi times Vi times Tf over Ti times Pf. Then you plug in all your data and then you would solve for it. So here we have not cross multiplied to solve for it, but generally speaking, if you cross multiply and isolate the term you are trying to solve for on one side, that would make things very easy. And here is a practice problem. Calculate the temperature when 0.50 liter sample of gas at 1.0 atmosphere and 25 degrees is compressed to 0.05 liters of gas at 5.0 atmosphere. I want you to try to solve this, but I will pause the video and try to come up with Pi, Vi, Ti, Pf, Vf and Tf, and also what you are trying to find of those 6. And then I will tell you right now what they are. So 0.50 liter of the gas, that tells us Vi equals 0.50 liter, and Pi equals 1.0 atmosphere. Initial pressure is 1.0 atmosphere. Notice the temperature is given in 20 degrees Celsius. You will have to convert it to Kelvin using the equation for Kelvin to Celsius or Celsius to Kelvin conversion. But the initial temperature Ti is 25 degrees Celsius. What we are trying to find is Tf. Calculate the new temperature. It doesn't say new here, but you must realize that this is the initial, so the temperature you are trying to calculate is the new one or the final temperature. And when it is compressed to 0.05 liters, originally it was 0.50 liters, so this is our Vf and this is our Pf. So all the variables change and we are trying to find what is the new temperature.